Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will make use of workbench, and using MySQL workbench we will be creating a schema and we will also create a table. So in here we have this connection using the root user. Let us click on this connection and workbench will connect with the database. Here is our database. Now friends, if we check this particular part where it is showing the schemas, we have couple of schemas, but we will be adding a new schema. So simply right click and create a new schema. The name of the schema would be study easy underscore db, and we will apply the changes. Here we go. So now we have this schema. Schema is nothing but a database table. Now let us add a new table inside this schema. If I traverse this tree, we will get this option of tables. As of now, there is no tables inside it. Let us highlight this tables option, right click and create a new table. Alright, let me expand this a little. Here we go. Now the name of the table would be users, and there would be like columns. The first name of the column would be users underscore id. It would be a primary key and auto incremented value as well. Then we will have username. This would be varchar entity and it would be like not null entity. And then finally we will have email. Again it would be like varchar 45 and again it would be not null. Alright, so this seems to be good enough and let us click on apply. Now workbench will create a query, and here is the query which is in front of you, and we will apply the changes. This query will be executed on the database table, and here we have the table. Alright, so now finally let us add some information inside this table. Let me close this particular tabs and now hover upon this table users. Now friends, if we check this table users and we hover upon this, then we will get these three icons. Now one of the icons symbolizes the table. Click on this, the third icon, and this will fire a query. Select a star from database dot table name, and apart from that it will also show you the result grid. Now using this result grid we can add information directly into the table. Let me show you how. Let us add some sample data. Alright, so this looks good to me. Let me apply the changes, and here are the insert query which is built by workbench itself. Let us apply the changes and let us click on finish. And now again if I click on the same icon, we have these two entities, these two rows inside our database table, which is amazing, right? So now we have some information in our database table. In our next video we will try to connect with this same database table users, and we will try to fetch some information from this table and try to display the information on a web page. So something interesting is coming up in our next video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.